Ever heard of an ECU? It's basically the brain of your car's engine. The ECU, or Engine Control Unit, is a small computer that controls how your engine runs. It manages fuel injection, ignition timing, and airflow, making sure your car runs smoothly, saves fuel, and reduces pollution. Without the ECU, modern cars simply wouldn't work. So remember, the ECU keeps your engine healthy, efficient, and powerful all at the same time. Just like your brain tells your body when to move, eat, or breathe, the ECU tells the car's engine when and how to work. Want more easy car tips? Follow for more, and if you need genuine used ECU parts, please visit www.automanspareparts.com.